Welcome to the Seattle Bar Base Assembly Instructions. When you open the cartons, you'll find 4 braces, 2 cross rails, a foot rail, and 2 table ends. You'll need 18 5mm hex head screws, 6 to 8 4mm hex head screws dependent on the frame size, thread lock, and an impact drill. Firstly, position a table end face up on the floor and place the foot rail over the bottom tab, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to 3 5mm hex screws, place them through the holes and partially tighten with the drill. Identify the holes on the cross rail, make sure the divot holes are facing upwards and slide over the tabs. Again, apply thread lock to the 5mm screws, place them through the holes and partially tighten. Next, slide the second table end tabs into the top of the cross and foot rails. Using the 5mm hex screws, apply thread lock, place through the cross rail holes and partially tighten. Do the same to attach the foot rail and then use the drill to finish tightening all screws on the frame. Flip the frame so it is the right way up and grab the cross braces. Identify the holes on the braces and place them on top of the frame, lining up the holes. Use the 4mm hex head screws, apply thread lock, place them through the holes and tighten with the drill. The Seattle bar frame is a modern style base that gives the appearance of a floating top when fully assembled. It features adjustable foot glides and is available in both a 12 and 1800 size, ideal for hospitality or office spaces.